Hi, I'm Adam Drake from Mugensuki Racing. Today I want to show you a cool feature on the Futaba 7PXR. It is a stopwatch function that I use for checking runtime. Now, it's really important to check runtime not only for nitro but also for electric. You always want to know how close you are to using whether it's your battery's full capacity or the full capacity of your fuel tank. So it's a really cool feature. Sometimes I use it in practice if I'm testing different things. But for sure, once racing starts, once the track is more in the conditions that it's going to be for racing, so that you can calculate your runtime in nitro throughout the course of all the qualifiers, so you can kind of see if there's any trends, like is the grip coming up and you're using more throttle, which is also making your runtime go down. That way you know and you're confident going into the final what you can go on each tank. So we'll take a closer look. I'll show you how to use and set up that feature on your 7PX. And then I also have another video that shows you how you can calculate runtime. So we won't go into that today, but if you check out my channel, type in Adam Drake runtime, it'll show you how to use the flashpoint syringe and be able to check your runtime for nitro. Okay, so we'll start by turning on the 7PXR, and this will be the same process or same steps whether you have the 7PXR, 7PX, or 7PX Limited Edition. From there, you will use the touchscreen, hit User Menu, the left arrow 2 times, and then you will go to the function that is called Switch Select. So for me, I use the PS5 as my start timer. So you're going to need to scroll until you see timer start, and that activates it. And then for the timer reset, I use PS2. So you'll just scroll until you see timer reset, and that activates it. So from there, we're going to go back to the home screen. And what I use is the button just above my thumb, that Chrome button there. And when I hit that button, it will activate or turn on, or if I hit a second time, it'll turn off the stopwatch. So at the start of a run, or once I get fuel, or if it's electric and I'm going out to start my run, whether it's warm up, you'll go ahead and activate that switch. At the end of your run, you'll hit it again to record your time. If for some reason the race needs to get restarted or anything like that, the timer reset, like I mentioned, was PS2, which it's under the grip here on my radio because I use this tennis wrap. But if you just simply select that, it resets the timer. Now, one thing to remember is if you start your timer, you go out and you run your race. At the end of your race, you stop the timer. You need to remember what that total time was, because once you turn the transmitter off, it will reset that timer. So when you turn it on the next time, it will be zeroed out. But just a simple, easy way to use a stopwatch that's built into your radio to check your runtime.